Hello children, welcome to our online class. We are doing revision for essay 1. In the last class we have done revision in part 1. Today we will do in part 2. Okay? Before we start, I will give you few instructions. In the last class also I had told you, I have given these instructions, but this time I am going to read them out here. I have written them. So what is the portion for essay 1 that you know very well? It is lesson number 1, 6 and 7. And what you have to do, all the questions will be of objective types. Right? Means the heading of the question may be different. Filling the blanks, name the following or choose the correct answer. But all the questions will carry 4 options. From that you have to choose the correct answer. Right? So what you have to do, read the question carefully. Okay, and then only you can choose the correct option. And also you also have to read the textbook. Yes, and go through all the figures in the textbook and the presentation which I have given. And also you have to read the classwork notes, the question answers which you are writing, that also you have to learn. Okay, so now let us begin. See here, answer the following by choosing the right option. Okay, here see, what is the first one? Which of these is not an evergreen tree? Huh? What are the options? A. Pine, fir, maple and spruce. What is the question? You have to read it carefully. Which of these is not an evergreen tree? Okay, so pine, fir and spruce are all evergreen, and but maple is not evergreen, so the correct answer is maple. Okay, right? Next one, which of these plants remains submerged in water? You know what is submerged? Submerged means remain underground, under the water, under the water. It remains submerged in the water. And what are the options? Options are hydrilla, water lily, water hyacinth and lotus. Okay, so which is the correct option? Hydrilla. Hydrilla remains submerged in the water. Okay, so I will take hydrilla. Another one, plants living on land. What are the plants living on land? Dash. Okay, what are they called? They are called aquatic, they are called terrestrial or insectivorous or none. None of these all. Okay, so what are they? They are the terrestrial plants. So I will take terrestrial. Okay, next one, trees which do not shed all their leaves at the same time. What are they called? You know, trees shed their leaves, but some trees they do not shed all their leaves at same time. Okay, for that reason, I had also explained you, for that reason they they look evergreen, means they are always green, so they are called evergreen trees. Okay, so I will mark tree. Evergreen is the correct answer. Right? Okay. Now, next, dash. Now, here the heading is choose the correct answer. Okay. So, no problem. You have to do the same thing. Okay. Means you have to, whatever options are given, you have to choose the correct option. Okay. So, first one, dash cannot make its own food and grow on the bread. You know, plants, green plants, they make their own food. But here the question is, dash cannot make its own food. And what else is given? Grow on the bread. Okay, I have explained to you when I was explaining this lesson. So, what are the options are? Cactus, mesquite, mold or spruce. So you know, mold is the correct answer because mold grows on the bread, and it is also non-green and it cannot make its own food. So the correct answer is mold. Okay, next one, dash store water in their stems. And what are the options? Lotus, cactus, pine, oak. Okay, you know, the desert plants, the water is less there, it rarely rains there, so the cactus plant store water in its stem, right? So the correct option is cactus, right? Next one, if you want to preserve milk at home, you will follow dash method of food preservation. Okay, you know how you preserve the milk, okay, at home. Your mother must be daily keeping the milk in the fridge. It is very simple. And the options are given are canning, drying or refrigeration. So the answer is refrigeration is right. So I have marked C, right? For the next number, fourth number, air enters leaves through these openings. You know, leaves have small openings through which air enters the leaves, and leaves takes the carbon dioxide from the air from those holes. And which are those holes? You know very well. Okay, let us read the options first. That is roots, stomata, stem, and flower. So the correct answer is yes, very well. You said stomata, you guessed it right. So the correct answer is stomata. Air enters leaves through these openings. Through these openings means stomata is the correct option. Next one, leaves take in carbon dioxide from dash to make food. From where do? Just now only I explained. Just now only, yes, you correctly, you can guess it. Leaves take in carbon dioxide from dash to make food. Options are water, air, sunlight, soil. So the option is air. From air, leaves take the carbon dioxide. Yes. Next one, dash is a deciduous tree. Okay, dash is a deciduous tree. What are the options? Pine, spruce, maple or mesquite bush. So, maple is a deciduous tree. Pine, spruce are the evergreen plants. So, let us mark maple. Yes. Why? Well, further, yes. Next one. Ali wants to have strong bones and strong teeth. He needs to have dash in his food. What he should have? Because he wants to have strong bones and strong teeth. So he needs to have. Let us see the options first. First is calcium, junk food, iron, water. Yes, you guessed it right. It is calcium. To have strong bones and strong teeth, Ali should have calcium in his food. Yes. Next one, if you want to eat something raw, which of the following will you be able to eat? Okay, you want to eat something raw means you are not going to cook it. Okay, and the options are carrot, rajma, potato, rice. So the correct answer is carrot. Carrot you can eat raw. Yes. Well, further, see here it is true or false. Means there are only two options. No problem, it is either true or false. Okay. So again you have to just mark the correct option. Let us start. Number one, roughage is not important for us. Is it true? No, it is false because roughage is important for us. So the option is false. Potatoes are energy giving food. Potatoes are energy giving food. It is true? Yes, it is true. Okay. Next one, peach plant has leaves that look like containers with lids. Okay, you know peach plant is an insectivorous plant, and I had explained to you that the insect gets trapped into the container because its leaves are like container with the lid. So yes, it is true that peach plant has leaves that look like containers. So I'll mark true. Next one, plants like cactus and mesquite bush do not have roots. It is false. They have roots because the roots, mesquite especially, the roots go deep into the ground to take in water, whatever water is available from the soil. So it is false. right? They have roots. Next one, plants survive because they are adapted to the conditions of the place in which they grow. Yes, all plants and also animals, they are adapted to the region where they live. So they, because of these adaptations, they are able to survive in that particular region. So this is true. Plants survive because they are adapted to the conditions of the place in which they grow. Right? Well, further, see here, what is the heading? Answer the following by choosing the appropriate options. Okay, see here, this is little different question. Why it is different? Because it is having all the four options, and uh, and all these options are given down, and there are four blanks. You have to place each word correctly in those blanks. That option is correct. Okay. So here I'll read the question. Carbohydrates give your body quick dash. Okay, they are therefore called dash nutrients. Dash and dash are two types of carbohydrates. Okay, so let us see the options. First is energy giving, then starch, sugar, energy. So, see, if you read the question once again, carbohydrates give your body quick, what? Quick energy. Okay, so first blank should have energy. Another, they are therefore called what? Carbohydrates are called energy giving nutrients. So second blank should have energy giving, right? Dash and dash are two types of carbohydrates. So sugar and starch are the, or you can say starch and sugar are the two types of carbohydrates. So our option is quick energy, then energy giving, then starch and sugar. So it is the C option. Okay. Wait. Yes. It is. It is the option C. Once again, if you want to check, see. First word is energy. Carbohydrates give your body quick energy. They are therefore called dash nutrients. They are called energy giving nutrients. Okay, dash and dash are two types of carbohydrates. Starch and sugar are two types of carbohydrates. Okay, so option C is the correct option which you can fill in here. Understood, children? Okay, well, further, see here. This is identify the figure and choose the correct option. Right? What is the first figure? You can see the leaf is shown, sun is shown. Okay, sunlight is falling on the leaf. Then the uh, this, you can see carbon dioxide, something is right. It is going in. So you must have guessed it. Yes. So let us see the options first. It is photosynthesis, adaptation, chlorophyll, or starch. So this process is showing the process of photosynthesis. Yes, correct. So photosynthesis is the correct answer for this figure. Right? Okay, let us move to the second figure shows some food items, right? It is egg, meat, okay, nuts, then red meat. Yes, so let us see the options. It is food rich in proteins, food rich in fats, roughage of food preservation. So the food items are shown, they are rich in proteins. So this is the correct option. Yes, children? Now we'll move further. Next figure. See here. Can you see the figure? Yes. It is again. It is the figure of a. Can you guess what it is? Let us see the option. Hydrilla, tape grass, lotus, spruce. Let us see the options. Spruce is a big tree. It is a evergreen tree, so it is not a tree. It is not a lotus, obviously. And tape grass and hydrilla. If you have seen the pictures correctly, it is not a tape grass, so hydrilla is the correct option. Okay, hydrilla is the correct option. Next figure, it is again of a water plant. Okay, and let us see the option. It is oak. I am going to from down to above. Okay, no problem in that. So oak tree is a big tree. Cactus, you know, it is a desert plant and it is not looking like cactus. It is obviously not water lily. Yes, so it is a water lettuce. It is again a aquatic plant. Okay, so I will. It is a floating plant. You can see it floating on the water surface. It is a water lettuce. Right, children? Fine. Now, yes. So here we end our revision. In the next class, again we will do revision in part 3. Till then, you go through all your notes and your lessons nicely. You have to read the lesson and then try to learn it. Okay. Thank you. Take care.